Google Play gift cards are one of the easiest rewards to earn because most reward apps treat them like standard gift card redemptions, and they're usually available faster than cash in a lot of apps. By the end of this, you'll know 6 apps that can help you earn Google Play credit, which ones work fastest, and which ones are best if you want the least effort. Start with Eingeswagbuckstart. This is still one of the biggest reward platforms. You can earn through surveys, cashback, video offers, and app installs. The useful part is that Google Play gift cards are usually one of the main reward options, so you're not waiting for rare stock. Second is eMistPlaying. This one makes the most sense if you already play games on your phone. You install games, hit milestones, and build reward units that can be redeemed for Google Play gift cards. It fits naturally if gaming is already part of your day. Third is Einfetchen. Fetch is one of the easiest because it turns receipts into rewards. Buy groceries, scan the receipt, collect points, and redeem. No surveys, no games, no complicated tasks. Now the stronger survey-focused apps. Inbox gives you multiple earning methods like surveys, email offers, and promo tasks. That variety helps when survey volume drops. ImoOpinion is another fast-growing survey app with clean navigation and regular survey flow. It's simple to use and rewards are easy to track. Maypoints rounds out the list. This one combines shopping rewards, surveys, and bonus offers. If you already shop online often, it becomes an easy extra layer. Here's where people waste time. They rely on one app. That slows everything down. The faster way is stacking. Use Misplaying while gaming. Use Afetch after shopping. Use Swagbucksy for surveys or cashback. Eindewen Baby. That creates 3 separate earning streams going into the same goal. That's how you reach a Google Play card faster. Quick recap. Best overall. Swagbucks Eindechu. Best for gamers. Misplaying. Best passive option. Fetch OP. Best survey backup. ImoOpinion. The practical next step is simple. Pick one passive app and one active app today. Use the passive app for everyday rewards, and the active app when you have extra time. That gives you speed without depending on one method. If this helped you get closer to free Google Play credit, like the video and subscribe for more.